Dudes, welcome to incredible umami miso glazed carrot roses. These are incredible sides for the Christmas dinner.
One of the nicest ways you will ever eat carrots, and they take about 20 minutes to make them start to finish, and there's a touch of arts and crafts about them. Okay, take your carrot, take a potato peeler, and we are gonna we wanna get some long strips of our carrot. You could use a mandolin, but I find a mandolin can be a bit scary for your hands. It's easier here if you get a tray just to put your carrot strips into. It just makes it easier to work with. You are going to need some twine, and it does add a kind of nice arts and craft feel to it. So obviously get one that's based on natural fabrics rather than one that's based on polyester. And so here we're just going to roll them up. Right. The only really important thing here is to try to use carrots that are of a similar size. Once you're happy with the degree of width.
Look at that.
Just going to hold that there. Grab a bit of twine.
Get your twin.
You probably need your twin.
Okay, you're going to have to hold both. Okay. No, there, yeah.
Yeah, but okay.
Okay, so what do I do?
So get your twin to hold it. Obviously, this is probably easier to do in pairs, so they are very beautiful. One might call them carrot roses. We are going to braise them, we are going to sear them, and then we are going to allow them to steam. Now, this lad first. All the way around there, darling. Okay, we're going for 3 carrot rounds. It does take a little bit of time, but please trust us, this is so worth it. It's beautiful, it's elegant, and it's probably the nicest way you're ever going to taste carrots, beyond freshly picking them from the ground. Okay,
so we've got a wide bottom pan on a high heat. I'm using some beautiful back to roots organic olive oil. It's really, really tasty.
And a little bit of plant-based butter. So we're gonna go all out here. We want to get flavor.
This is flavor sensation.
So if you're not familiar with searing is creating kind of caramelization on the surface of the carrot, or searing or braising, which we're going to do. Braising is kind of the addition of searing on the bottom, and then we're going to introduce kind of a marinade that's going to steam to cook it all the way interior, because heat transfers 20 times quicker in water rather than air. Okay, first step here, we are going to sear and then braise our carrots. Heat transfers a lot quicker in water than steam, approximately 20 times. So pop in our carrots here, and what we want to do is kind of sear both sides.
So obviously just make sure the twine is not going to touch the bottom of the heat.
So you want to be patient while they're searing. While they're searing, I'm going to mix together our dressing. So we've got 1 tablespoon of white miso. This will bring that umami note and really transform our carrots. Next step, we're going in with 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. What these are going to do is help with caramelization and kind of a searing.
We're going to go with 1 tablespoon of vinegar of choice. I'm using apple cider vinegar.
A little pinch of chili, which surprisingly goes extremely well with carrots.
And a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt. Oh, look at that. So turn them when they're golden. You want them to be seared, and kind of, this is caramelization and flavor development. So once you're happy with the degree of charring, we're going to move from here, we're searing, and we'll move to braising or to steaming. We're going to go in with water before we go in that dressing, just so they cook all the way through. So in goes a bit of water. And so heat transfers 20 times faster in water than steam. So right now what we're trying to do is cook all the way through. We've seared the outside, which is flavor development. Once this water has evaporated, we're going to go in with the dressing, and this is going to create this glaze on the surface.
And beautiful flavors as well. The flavors will start to punctuate the center of the carrots as well.
So we let these steam for about 3 to 4 minutes, and what we're looking for is that the carrot is cooked all the way through.
And obviously steaming is a much more efficient way of cooking than frying. Frying, you'll get the surface, but it won't permeate the center.
Just check they're soft and that you're happy with them, and just give them a little turn just to check that, they're not overly brown. Oh, look at that.
So you can see it really is starting to cook right the way through.
Time to increase the flavor here, ladies and gentlemen. We've got our marinade. We're going to pop this in and allow just the flavors just to come together. So keep that heat high.
And obviously we did pop a bit on top, so I'm just going to turn it just because I don't want it to stick too much.
So what's going to happen here is that the maple syrup, the sugars in that are going to contract, and they're going to form this lovely glaze along the surface. And you can see it here, it's almost like a caramel in the pan. So just turn down the heat so our caramel doesn't burn too much. So this is like an umami glazed caramel. Okay, while they're cooking off, I'm going to make a tahini cream. So this is a nice way of making a more whole food type of almost cream cheese on the base. So I have some white tahini or tahini of choice. I'm going to go in with about 3 to 4 tablespoons or 2 heaped tablespoons. So in goes plant-based yogurt. We're using coconut yogurt. Use whatever yogurt you want. A pinch of salt. Lime will provide the acidity, or lemon. And what we're going to do is this creates a lovely creamy emulsion. This provides the base. Often we'll say with cooking, there's the 5 base flavoured, salt, sweet, bitter, acidic, and umami. And the 6th one is actually texture, we believe. So providing a creamy base contrasts beautiful to these caramelised carrots, which will just add more flavour to it. Beautiful, ready to go.
The butter's amazing how long it stayed in the pan. Like, it's really quite impressive, the plant-based butter.
Salt. Isn't it?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
it's really, really good.
And like some flavour in them. Do you want to turn them over again and just show the other side?
At this stage, they're kind of quite
Delicate.
They're very delicate.
Okay, for our base, this is our creamy base layer with which they're going to sit on. Just pop on our tahini cream. Okay, time to plate these up. So we're going to go with a combination of some of them that are nice and braised along the top, on top of the tahini cream.
They look just fantastic.
And decide which side you prefer. You could put some more of that glaze on it, but I think that's perfect. We're going to go in. This is festive. This is Christmassy. We have our snowy base. Now we're going to go in our little bit of red pop of colour. So we're going to go with some pomegranate jewels, which are in season around the Mediterranean here at the moment. And just to finish it off with a nice green note, you could put some herbs on top if you'd like. Alternatively,
we've got the world's best pesto as certified by our mother. This is the Happy Pear's lovely basil pesto. Woohoo!
It does actually have a great taste towards.
Yeah,
so we'll pop a little bit in and drizzle with oil.
If you do live in the UK, you can get our lovely basil pesto on Ocado, along with lots of our other pestos and products. So do check them out if you haven't. This our lovely basil pesto, plant-based, dairy-free, gluten-free, and it's got 2 great taste awards.
Now for the big moment. Here we go. Let's try them. Take a sharp knife just so it cuts through them. These are going to be soft. These are going to be buttery. These are going to be sweet. These are going to be umami, and we have a creamy base.
Woo!
The flavour.
That could honestly be one of the best carrots I've ever had.
And the flavour is really complex and like sweet but umami and carroty.
Soft and succulent and yummy and melt in your mouth. And yes!
That's multiplicity. Multiplicity.
That reframes a carrot for me, like it really, really does. It's so different. It's nearly melting your mouthy. So there you have it. Let us know what you think down below. We'd love to hear what you think. This channel is about helping you to eat more veg. Better for you, better for the planet. We're Dave and Steve from the Happy Pear, identical twins. Do give us a subscribe if you're not subscribed.
And thanks a million for watching. Bye!
Cheers!